Okay, so we're going to talk about washing our hands for massage therapists. Some of these rules apply before you start your massage and obviously after your massage. So before, you need to make sure that you don't have any jewelry, bracelets on at all. Nails are short. Then the second thing you're going to do is if you have a sink with a foot pedal, you're going to use a foot pedal. We do not. So we're going to use paper towel and we're going to turn the faucet on using a paper towel. Because at post-massage, you're going to be very oily. We don't want to get oil onto the handle. Now that you have the water on, obviously wet your hands first. If it's a post-massage, all the way up to the elbows. You're going to get your liquid soap, not bar soap. You're going to get a nice lather. And you would take, at least your 20 seconds. I'm not going to sing or do anything fun like that. But I'm going to wash all the way up to my elbows because I'm a forearm massage therapist, so I'll use my forearms. I'm going to get between my fingers and get the backs of my hands. Vigorous. If you have a nail brush, you can get under the nails or an orange stick. You're going to continue rubbing vigorously as you go under the flowing water. Alright, once you're done rinsing, you're going to actually reapply and wash your hands a second time to get oil that likes to stay behind off. Alright, 10 seconds the second time. I'm not going to count. When you're done washing your hands, you're going to use a paper towel to dry your hands. Now, if you don't want to waste water, you can use that paper towel to turn the water off first. But I like to get nice and dry first. Dry your hands, turn your faucet off. I have my door open, but if I did not have my door open, pull the paper towel, open your door, you're done.